explorers, come along. We're discovering animals that's with them in this song. M is for moose, mighty and tall. M is for menagerie, under the sea they crawl. M is for monkey, swing with glee. M is for mallard, over the lake they flee. Animals, you know, let's learn together and let our knowledge grow. M is for meerkats, standing on the sand. M is for mongoose, quick on land. M is for manatee, gentle as a breeze. M is for millipede, under the leaves. M is for mole, tunneling below. M is for mountain goat, where the high winds blow. And then what a marvelous quest, with animals from east to west. Thanks for joining this adventure, quite the show. Keep exploring, there's much more to know.